has a lot of reflection now, reflection that it didn't have before. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Kumatara. Welcome to Wrenchettes. We're not only working on this beautiful G35 since the Vader, but in life as well. I'm going to do something that I've been wanting to do for a long time to this car since I bought it, and it's a shame that I lasted all this time without doing it, which is doing a polish. Guys, I am not gonna lie, every time I get in this car it puts a smile on my face. I can't fake it. Oh boy, you can't put a price on that, baby. Oh my god, this car is so good, man. It's so good. I will never change that muffler. I don't know. I mean, I like the, you know, the art pipes and stuff like that, but just the way it sounds right now, it just, oh, mortadella, the pizza, mortadella with the spaghetti and everything in the middle. You know what I'm saying? Oh my god, look at that. It's a charger right there. Challenger in charger. Ooh, nice. On another thought, I took a week off from work, man. I don't care if you love what you do, you have to take a break, man. Enjoy your family. That's like the most important thing in this world, man. And once your kids grow up, that's it. You can't go back and redo it. Enjoy your family, man. All of this is gonna stay here, man. Okay, so I just got here to my uncle's shop. This is where I'm gonna do my work at. The car is precisioned. I had some song, but the sun, I was gonna say song because I'm hearing his music. But yeah, the sun is partially, or mostly on the car, which is not a good thing. I'm supposed to be working on the shade, but I don't have, this is the best I can do. So I had to hit the red abort mission button on this project because I'm beginning to notice why people say don't do polish in the sun, because it's really hard. That thing, the solution hardens so fast because the sun is so bright. But yeah, that panel, I completely did it. You can see it has that, I don't know if you guys could pick up on camera, but it has a lot of reflection now, reflection that it didn't have before, and it still has some, you know, some residue. Oh my goodness. Here is a troubled area right there. As you can see, if you guys maybe can pick that up. Over there it came out really good, but as I was getting here, because it was drying up really quickly, it didn't really work, so I have to hit it all over again, but not in these conditions, not in the sunny conditions. Now, is this a failure? Of course not. Why? Because knowledge is power. I've heard that you couldn't do it in the sun, but I didn't know why. Me doing it in the sun, I realized why people say don't do it in the sun. So you can't really put a price on knowledge, and knowledge is power. That is 100% accurate. But first, I'm gonna show you guys my custom-made shirt right here. You guys can see it says Wrenchettes on my chest. This is my logo. If you go to the front of my page, my homepage, you guys are gonna see that right there, that design. And then on the back, I don't know if I can see it in the mirror there, it says Wrenchettes. And on the sides it says Philippians 4:13 right there on both sides right here. in the front. This is the official shirt I'm gonna be using when I go to shows and stuff like that. What I want to know is, how many of you guys do this? Look at the mirror while you're riding. I do that crap all the time, bro. Like all the time. So until next time, guys. God bless. Peace.